It is August 31st, 2023, and it's Sonoma's birthday. I let him outside earlier to just go to the bathroom, and then we went back to bed. And there's a couple decorations I have to finish putting up because it was a little tricky, and I need my mom's help. And a couple pictures, like drawings I need to hang up. Just like tapes, like easy. And I'm gonna go on YouTube really fast and see if I can figure out how to make birthday hats out of printer paper, because I could not find birthday hats anywhere that weren't like 200, but it's Sonoma's 8th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oma. Sonoma, jump on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 8th birthday, Sonoma. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Are we gonna party? Yes, we are. All right, let's start. Oh, what's that, Sonoma? Happy birthday. Yes, sit so we can have breakfast. Oh, let's sit over here. That's it, Sonoma, sit. Yeah, Sonoma, stay. Oh, you're so perfect. One of the first things we're doing is printing out templates to make birthday hats. This one's for Sonoma, of course, because I couldn't get any besides getting like 200 at once. So this is going to be a birthday craft, because we've got to color these all up fancy, and then I'll just get paper and put a band around it and make sure it kind of can fit on my head enough before I print another. But yep. How's that sound, Oma? Decorating birthday hats? Yeah. Ooh, yeah, we'll get yours going first. Sonoma, your birthday gift is here. It's for you. It's from Chewy. You got my food. Yum. Yummy. All right, so this is not complete. Wait. No, Sonoma. I made Sonoma a chalk drawing. Sonoma, come through. That's it, come through. I put his vest on. Yep, you can look at it. Just gotta shut this door. Sonoma, stay right there. He's right here. Sonoma. Sonoma, come. Come here. Let's get a picture at the front door. That's it. Sonoma, stay. Oh, you're so cute. Happy 8th birthday, Oma boy. All right, we gotta get the whole thing in here for a picture. Sonoma, watch me. That's it. Sonoma wanted to come outside, so he's sunbathing. And, whoops. filling in this crown to put up somewhere. Yeah, usually I'm a lot further along with these things, but I've been a little busy lately. It's a beautiful day to have a birthday, Sonoma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oma. Happy birthday to you. Sonoma, we're going on a birthday trip to Lewis Farms. Did you just pick out your treat at Lewis Farms? And they misspelled them, so you got like 4 for the price of 1? Looking at the fall accessories.
Pretty.
I was just looking at that.
It's pretty.
Yeah, the color is nice.
Oh, that's the color part.
Yeah.
Goes with
Sonoma, let's go this way, bud. Yeah, you don't need a Kit Kat, bud. Right, Sonoma. Let's look over here. That's it. Sonoma got to pick out his own cookie, and he picked the right one because we got 4 for the price of 1 because they accidentally misspelled farms in Lewis Farms, which we didn't even notice. I don't think anyone did. But we got 4 giant cookies for this price of 1. Thanks, Sonoma, for wanting that one because he said it smelled really good. And now I'm sitting on the stairs and he's gonna play some fetch. Oh, sorry, Sonoma. Not too much because it's hot out right now. And I made a berry smoothie. Good boy, Oma. Oh, you gotta get it. Get it. That's it. Give. It's really nice to have this area here. Even though we do go to the shed a lot, I can still get in a good throw here. Yes, good boy. I'm gonna make an 8 here. I cannot believe he's 8. No one else can believe he's 8, which is like by how he's acting and moving, which makes me super happy. I'm so thankful to have him, and he's running, he's happy, he's healthy, and he's, oh, leave it, Sonoma, doing all of his tasks and enjoying everything. So I couldn't be happier for him. He deserves it. Ben and Jerry's desserts. You can't eat the container. Like, how do I take a bite out of it? My bite's a little bigger than that. No, you get a spoon, please. Mmm, yummy, yummy. I know, it's hard. Ice cream, can I smell it? Mmm, smells like peanut butter. Cut the cake. No, you had your Ben and Jerry's. This is Friendly's. Sonoma, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, oh my boy. What?
I don't know if she knows the birthday song like that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday for Mama to you. Happy birthday for Mama to you. Hey!
Oh, that was so good. Sonoma's tail's wagging. He loves that. Can you sing it again?
No, we have to go home now.
Oh, did Mom say that?
That's a very good listening.
You're right. Thanks for coming over. Sonoma's, oh, let me get the leash off you. 8th birthday, but first birthday being in our possibly forever home, or maybe my forever home. If my mom moves out and I stay here and someone moves in with me. I don't know. I really like it here. So let Sonoma stroll over here after the neighbors came over and Micah sang happy birthday to Sonoma, and these kids are so sweet. And we have ice cream cake, like for humans, real ice cream cake. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And he's got like a little Ben & Jerry's ice cream thing. But I thought he would want to come and run a little bit. It's 6:00 p.m. right now, and he is enjoying his birthday. It is a beautiful, beautiful day to have a birthday. First birthday in new house, 8th birthday total, and 7 years of service dog duties you've done. That's technically over 7 years because you graduated in April. But yeah, the chalk drawing was kind of like settling for me. Summer, hold and give, because I have so much gratitude towards Sonoma, and I don't know where I would be really without him. He's helped me so much for the past 7 years. And I'm so thankful to have him. So that's why I make those things out of chalk and take a long time on them, even though I know they can be washed away tonight. Just because I love you, Sonoma. And I want to show how much I love you.